Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Today I am going to show the decrease in the center of the work, and row after row we are going to decrease at that particular center place only in the pattern. How it will look after a certain number of rows I'll demonstrate to you. And we need a stitch marker, and I am using a 6 mm T-code hook from Magic Needles, and for demonstrating this I am using powder pink iron 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, hobby store variety with medium weight 4 and color code 2028. So I have made the first SC row here, and in the 9th stitch from either end I am going to decrease them together and make them into one stitch. So place one single crochet in each of the stitches till you reach the 9th stitch from this end. So I have done 8 stitches here. The 9th, and this is the 9th from this end. So insert your hook in the 9th stitch, pick up the yarn and pull through. Again insert your hook in the next, pick up the yarn and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3 of them together and place your stitch marker on that particular stitch. And place one single crochet or one stitch, if you're doing HDC or DC, one stitch in each of the next stitches till the end. Turn your work and work one stitch on each of the stitches till you reach the stitch marker. I pause your video, place one stitches until you reach your stitch marker. You place the next row stitches too. I shall meet you at this particular point. I have reached the stitch marker, so remove the stitch marker, and you are going to decrease the stitch along with the next one after the stitch marker. So pick up the yarn, and it should be always after row. Only then the uniformity will be there and the symmetry will be maintained. Place your stitch marker again on the stitch decreased. Continue with your single crochets in each of the stitches till the end of the row, and turn your work and place one stitch each on each of the stitches till you reach the stitch marker in the next row too. Pause your video, work and get back. I shall also work and get back. I've reached the stitch marker, remove the stitch marker, and we are going to do 2 stitches together with the first decrease of the previous row and the next stitch together, and place your stitch marker here on the stitch decreased and continue your stitches. So row after row you follow the same decrease and the same decrease on the same space, like you will decrease or work 2 together of the stitch decrease in the previous row and the next stitch. So follow the same thumb rule. If you're following the previous stitch and the decrease stitch, you follow the same rule throughout row after row. Only then your decreases will be evenly placed. Okay, I shall work a few more rows and get back to you. I have worked a few more rows, and this is how the decreases shape when you work decreases in the center of your project and nowhere decreases anywhere else. So this decrease also is evenly placed. Okay, thank you friends for watching. Hope this tip helps you in your projects. Have a great day. I shall meet you with yet another tip in the next video. Bye for now.